Hello and welcome to another how-to video from Sister A. We're going to create on this video your two child pages. It's really extremely simple, and so I'm going to take you on a step-by-step of how to do it. I hope this helps you get it done easily and painlessly. Alright, first, here's my website that we've been working on. Looks good the way I want it. So now I need to go back and look at my my HTML file and my glitch column here. Alright, so all you're going to have to do is click this button that says New File and tell it to add a file. But before we do that, let's give it a name so we don't have to do it after the file's made. Notice right now it's set to be a JavaScript and my cool folder with the cool file, blah, blah, blah. So what we're going to do instead is we're going to make this, my first child page is a Rivers. So I'm going to call it Rivers. Do not use capital letters in your file name. And don't forget to put .html. Click return and it creates it for you. Now, it's real easy to check and make sure you're doing it right before you go any further. So let's put in just a quick line and say this is my Rivers page. All right, and I'm going to then go back to my main page, my index page, and down here all you have to put in that first one is slant rivers.html. So I'll do it again for you there. In between the two quote marks, slant rivers.html. That's all you have to do. You should have a slant for index also. It just kind of indicates that it's within this file. And so now we're going to go back to the actual page. And if I click on the Rivers button, providing the Rivers button is working, I should be able to go to that page. And that typing that small one sentence is to show me it's working. And here it is up here in the corner. This is the Rivers page. No bells and whistles. It's just showing that the page is working. All right, so let's go make our second page. Mine is an About Us page. So I will once again click the new file. And I'm going to call it About Us. Do not leave spaces. .html. Make it simple and short. About Us or just about would work. And then I'm going to say add the file. I'm going to say this is my About Us page. So that when we get to it, we'll know that that's the right page. Now you have to notice what exactly you named it, because that has to be spelled exactly in the name of the href name, the link name. So right here where there's a number sign, we're going to highlight that and type in About Us .html. What did I forget, guys? Oh yeah, the slant. And I'm going to make sure that that stays there. Oops, I did not mean to hit return. Okay, I'm going to go back to my page. That's what I meant to do. I'm going to click on the About Us. This is my About Us page. Now notice I can't go back because obviously I don't have any buttons on here. That'll be in the next video about how to set up each of your pages. So this is creating your pages. Hope it was helpful.